I'm going to show you how to copy calculation made on the window calculator and paste the result in a notepad document. As you can see, the notepad is open on the left side of my screen and the calculator is here on the right. For this demonstration, let's just perform a simple subtraction problem. Enter the current year and then subtract the year where you born and click equals 2017 minus 6 and equals. Spend a few moments in their disbelief that you really are this old, and then just smile and accept it. With the number visible and display, press Ctrl C and on your keyboard to copy this number. Ctrl C. Then click the over the notepad documents and press Ctrl V to paste the number. Then this is a quick and easy way to transfer calculation from the window calculator to the another application in your computer.